First of all, let's start with someone who does not need to file with the Illinois Commerce Commission. If you don't, in which case you only need to meet the city and state requirements, that would be 500,000 combined single limit for liability, or what would be called auto liability. The second category would be garage liability. This is in a sense, a general liability policy covering your business. Let's say, for example, as when you go to do a tow, a vehicle could perhaps fall off the lift, hurt someone standing next to you. That would be covered under the $500,000 or $500,000 limit for liability, or what we call garage liability. The third part would be car on hook coverage. This protects the actual vehicle that you're towing. So in the event that you're hooked up to a vehicle, you, let's say, make a right turn, cut it a little too close, the car that you're towing smashes into another car. Now, the vehicle that you damage, that would be covered under your liability portion. However, the vehicle that you are responsible for, that you are towing, that you are hooked up to, the damage to that vehicle would be covered under the car on hook coverage. So again, these three coverages are mandatory in order to get your plates. Separately from that, you could have a situation where you need an ICC authority. For those towing companies that are required to carry the ICC, that would be primarily for relocators or people doing repossession of cars, any kind of relocating work at all. You're required to carry the $750,000 limit in order to satisfy the Illinois Commerce Commission filing. Here again, you would have a garage liability policy, which would have to match those higher limits of $750,000. The car and hook coverage would be the $25,000 minimum also. Keep in mind, at any point you could get higher limits if you chose, but these are the limits that are required in order for you to get your tow truck plates.